everyone, my name is Emily, and today we'll be playing a game of Picas and Fijas. Today we have the red team versus the blue team. To start, we have the red team looking at the acts of life list and choosing 4 options that they resonate with most. The first option being the most important, and there cannot be any repeats. Hi, we're red team, and this is our ranking. We're going to choose 9 as our most important. Then we're going to choose 5, 7, and 0. That's our final ranking, 9, 5, 7, 0. Now it's the blue team's turn. They must try and guess what the red team's ranking is. Their first guess is this, 8592. However, this seems like it's not the right answer. Red team says that there is 1 pica and 1 fija. Remember, picas are numbers that are in the secret ranking but in the incorrect spot. And fijas are numbers that are in the secret ranking and in the correct spot. The goal is to find 4 fijas because they will be all in the correct spot. Okay, so we have to make another guess. So let's look at the number. We have 8592. There are only 2 correct answers and only one of them are in the correct spot. So maybe 8 and 5 are the correct numbers. Let's keep 5 while switching 8 to another spot. We can also try new numbers. Let's replace 9 and 2 with 3 and 4. So our new guess is 3584. Uh-oh, red team says there are 0 picas and 1 fija. That means we lost the pica. That means 8 or 5 is not the right answer. So let's go back and keep 9 instead. The new numbers that we added last round, aka 3 and 4, are not a pica or a fija. So that means they're not in the ranking at all. We can just cancel them out. So let's try adding new numbers. We can add 1 and 6 this time. And then that means our new guess is 9516. What's your response this time, red team? Red team says there are 0 picas and 2 fijas. Yay! We found 2 fijas, which are 9 and 5. There are only 2 spots left in the ranking that we need to figure out. Can you estimate how many sets are left now? Let's try and make a list of all possible combinations that are left over. Because we need to make a list of all leftover ranking combinations, let's look at all the possible options. From 0 through 9, we know that 9 and 5 are fijas, which are the correct answers. But then in round 1, we eliminated 3 and 4, and in round 2, we eliminated 1 and 6. That means we only have 0 and 7 left over. This means that the only combinations left over are 9507 or 9570. But for this round, let's guess 9507. Nope. Red team says there are only 1 picas and 3 fijas. In the last round, we only got 2 fijas, which means our last possible option is 9570. That's our final guess. Blue team finally gets the right answer, but we're not done just yet. Good job to blue team, but one last thing. Red team, why did you choose these answers for your ranking? Hi, we're team red and this is why we chose our answers. We chose 9 because we love to learn math. We chose 5 and 7 because we love to paint and listen to music. And finally, we chose 0 because we love celebrating with others. Thank you for playing this game of Picas and Fijas with us.